welcome to Manniello method. So today I will cook for you some potatoes at oven with vegetables. So first of all we add some olive oil in my plate. I will put all my potatoes and now I will add some onions, some yellow pepperoni, red pepperoni, so zucchini, and also mushroom and some artichokes. I put all around my plate and I will add some thymian, rosemary, also some basil, very important. Okay, and I will add 1 drop of oregano essential oil from Young Living. It's fantastic. It will give so power in your plate. And now some salt. And in this moment 30 minutes oven, 160-180 degrees, and you will get a special meal with carbohydrates and a vegetable. As you can see, with Manniello method it's easy to cook. See you soon. Bye.